Ever felt like you're still hungry after you ate a massive raw vegan meal? Like you just ate a mountain of fruit. Why are you still starving for a bag of chips only 1 hour later? If you're trying the raw vegan lifestyle, but you feel like you're constantly hungry, don't give up just yet. I got 4 action steps that will help you crush that raw hunger and finally feel full and satisfied. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And if you are new here, we are Raw Vegan Food Diet, where we discuss everything involving optimal health through a raw plant-based diet. So hit the subscribe button if you think you'll be interested, and also hit the bell notification so you will not miss an update. So today we are talking about a topic that I feel a lot of raw vegans struggle with, and that is hunger. Like real deal hunger. Like gnaw your arm off of your shoulder hunger. But don't worry, I've been there. Let's fix that today with 4 simple but powerful steps to keep you full, fueled, and thriving on raw. Step 1, prioritize calorie-dense raw foods. Most raw foods are volume heavy but calorie light. That means you feel full for a second, but then you're starving again 30 minutes later. Start leaning into calorie-dense foods like bananas, which are super versatile, medjool dates, nature's candy, avocados, hello healthy fats, and raw nuts and seeds in moderation. Step 2, make giant balanced meals. Don't snack all day. Snacking all day may seem like a good idea, but it actually leads to inconsistent energy and constant cravings. With leafy greens, healthy fats like tahini and avocados, fruits and veggies, with carbs like sweet corn or mango, a creamy dressing to tie it together. Pro tip, blend your dressings like mango, tahini, and lime. Game changer. Hydrate smartly before and after meals. Believe it or not, thirst masquerades as hunger all the time. Drink water or raw green juice before meals and herbal teas after. It helps your body digest better and keeps that hunger demon quiet. Step 4, timing is everything. On raw, you're digesting fast. That means timing your meals and snacks is key. Try spacing your meals maybe 3 to 4 hours apart. And yes, you may need 4 to 5 solid meals a day when you're first starting. All right, those are your 4 raw vegan hunger hacks. If this helped you out, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. And if you're ready to get started on raw right away, hit the subscribe button. We really have some fire content coming your way. In the meantime, stay juicy, stay vibrant, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.